Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ESPHome EV charger control nodes safely, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a backup of your current ESPHome configuration. This will help you restore functionality in case anything goes wrong. Open your computer and connect to your ESPHome dashboard. Locate the charger control node you wish to update. Make a note of the firmware version currently installed on that node. Download the latest available firmware for your ESPHome charger control node. If you have any custom components or configurations, ensure you download those as well. Connect your ESPHome device to your computer using a USB cable. Open a terminal or command prompt window. Navigate to the directory where your ESPHome installation is located. Enter the command to upload the new firmware to the device. Monitor the upload process closely for any errors. Once the upload is complete, restart the device. Verify that the device connects successfully to your network. Check the logs on the ESPHome dashboard for any warnings or errors. If no issues are detected, proceed to test the charger functionality. If any problems arise, refer back to the logs to diagnose the issue. Make any necessary adjustments to the configurations in ESPHome. Re-upload the updated firmware if changes were made. Continue monitoring the charger performance over the next few days. Ensure that everything operates smoothly before considering the update successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.